Given all the recent emerging data roles, it's hard to tell the difference between a data engineer, data analyst, machine learning engineer, and data scientist. So let's make things clearer. In our AIC program, to join the data analytics track, you don't need any programming background because you will learn R. To join the data engineering, data science, or machine learning track, you should have prior knowledge in programming in any language. In our program, we focus on Python. Now let's explain clearly the difference between these different tracks so you know which one suits you best. As the title suggests, a data analyst is someone in charge of analyzing the data for the sake of understanding it and finding insights. This is mainly done to answer business questions and spot any unusual behavior in the data to drive the decision-making process. Now, as a data analyst, you will rely on no-code tools to perform hypothesis testing and do some transformations on the data, for example, using Excel. But it's also beneficial to dive into the technical details because you will have to query data from databases using SQL language, for example. Now, since the final step is to recommend a course of action, you will heavily rely on creating visualizations and building dashboards using some business intelligence tools such as Tableau and Power BI. But how can this be done without any data? Here's where the data engineer comes to the picture. While data analysts focus on interpreting and understanding the data engineers are the architects behind the scenes, building robust data pipelines to ensure the data is accessible and usable in the first place. So, data engineers handle collecting, storing, and processing large volumes of data coming from different sources. In the data engineering track, you will learn how to implement ETL processes, how to manage cloud-based data services, building data lakes, data warehouse, and also how to use big data technologies such as Hadoop and MapReduce. So you can think of data engineers as laying the groundwork for data analysts and data scientists by providing them with clean and structured data to be analyzed. While data engineers build data pipelines and data analysts focus on understanding the data to answer business questions, data scientists take this analysis a step further by performing machine learning modeling to forecast future trends. In our AIC program, the data science track is designed to equip individuals with programming background to prepare them perform more complex analysis and build algorithms that can learn from the data. Some of the key concepts you will learn in this track are web scraping through Selenium or Beautiful Soup, big data tools such as Spark to handle large volumes of datasets, predictive modeling, and also storytelling through business intelligence tools or even code-based dashboards. Now, if data scientists can handle building predictive models, then what would the role of machine learning engineers be? While data scientists handle designing machine learning models to predict future trends, machine learning engineers specialize in taking those models from concept to production. So, in scenarios where data scientists rely on the data provided by data engineers to build those machine learning models for experimental purposes, a machine learning engineer will make sure those models are scalable, reliable, and can be integrated seamlessly into existing software environments. So, machine learning focuses more on model related tasks such as training, fine tuning, comparing different models, and pushing them to production using some tools such as Docker, MLflow, and others. At the end of the day, it's a long journey. You will choose one role and be in direct contact with the others. Along the way, you'll be exchanging knowledge, learning in one phase and contributing in the other. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now for our AI certification program.